Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to remove your email address from your Roblox account. So if you are trying to completely remove your email address from your Roblox account, I show you guys how to do that. Before moving on to the video guys, don't forget to leave a like. First open a browser. You just need to search for roblox.com, press enter. Now log into your Roblox account guys. After that click on this setting gear icon and select settings. In account info, email address, you can change it if you want it. Click on this icon. The account email will not change until the new email has been verified. You just need to type the new email address in here and click on this change email. The verification may request for it. After that, so if you want to completely remove your email address from your Roblox account, there is a trick to do that guys, and it is involves changing your birth date. So I have a over 13 account right here. All we need to do is change the year so that it is under 13. You just need to change this to under 13 and click on as. Now enter the pin code of your verification code guys in your Gmail address. You just need to check it out. After typing it, your age has been changed. Then when it refreshes, as you can see, my email address is no longer associated with Roblox account. That's how you remove your email address in Roblox account guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.